to buy, to sell, to wait and hold. I'd like to share with you what I'm doing right now, but you do whatever you wish to do. I'm doing exactly the same like before. I've been buying and nothing differently. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into the market. Why? Because I have no idea what is going to happen next year or in a few years' time. We could find out that inflation is still crazy high because supply chains have still not cleared it up. Or maybe we could find out the government are overcorrecting again and we go back up again. It is like a nice holiday journey and no one has any idea how it's going to be. It can be amazing or the worst holiday ever. All I can do is to enjoy this journey. So this is what I do, and you do whatever you wish to do. So see you soon.